Did you know that one phone call can keep families together? Sarah here at Dispatch was just telling me about the Martinez family. Their 25-year-old daughter had to move back home after losing her job, but the upstairs bedrooms were like saunas. The air conditioning just couldn't reach the second floor properly. They were looking at spending $15,000 on renovations or finding somewhere else for their daughter to live. Then we sent Mike out for a system efficiency restoration, using the ACF Lush process. Now the whole second floor stays perfectly cool, even during heat waves. The daughter's room is comfortable all day long. Sarah says we're getting more calls like this every week. Elderly parents moving in with their kids, college graduates coming home temporarily. These families were facing tough housing decisions until their systems got restored. It's amazing how proper air conditioning affects family relationships. When everyone's comfortable, everyone's happier. The Martinez daughter just got a new job and she's staying put. Sometimes fixing the comfort fixes everything else too. Ask your HVAC technician about ACF Lush.